everybody, and welcome to integral problem 21 of 80. So today we will be integrating 1 over the square root of y times 1 minus the square root of y dy. Okay, so how do we differentiate this? Well, what you could do is this. You could distribute, but that doesn't lead you anywhere. Because if you distribute, which gives you the square root of y minus y, you can't do anything afterwards. Because 1 over the square root of y minus y is not equal to 1 over the square root of y minus 1 over y. Thus, the problem isn't solvable this way. Instead, we will have to use sub. So, let u be 1 minus root y. Let's use the trick that we learned while doing problem 5 and say that dy is equal to du divided by the derivative of this, which constants go to 0 after derivatives, and this is minus root y, which is also minus y to the 1/2. So you take this, bring it over here, and then subtract 1. So it gives us minus 1 over 2 root y. Because of this minus, it goes on the bottom of the fraction. So that is equal to, well, see, because if you divide something by the reciprocal of another thing, that is equivalent to multiplying that thing by the other thing. Sorry if I didn't explain it that well. Hopefully this will be enough to understand what I just said. Okay, so using that rule, we know that we can simply bring this minus 2 root y up. We can get minus 2 root y du is equal to dy. Now, we plug this into our dy. And what do we get? Well, it cancels out this other y on the bottom, so it gives us minus 2 root y over root y times u. These two cancel out, and we get, du. And these two cancel out, and so we get minus 2 over u du, which can also be read as minus 2u to the minus 1 du. Since this is u to the minus 1, instead of using the inverse power rule, we will have to use the ln rule. We get minus 2 ln u plus c, which means that we get minus 2 times ln of 1 minus the square root of y plus c. That's it. Thank you everybody for watching, and we'll see you.
Saborno Isaac Bari, who is known as the god of mathematics, became the youngest professor in the history of mankind.